I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs. Alright, so we purchased the Eastwood mini metal saw. When you read it and look at the videos, the descriptions, it's supposed to cut metal really easy, and it is supposed to create zero or next to no heat. The guys took it out yesterday because that's when we got it, and they already tried it out and they said it cuts like butter. This is the first time I will be using it. So let's see. It's a bear to see what you're cutting. Okay, so I found something that I'm not thrilled with right off the bat. It is very difficult to see where the blade is. The solution is easy. The solution is line it up, use a speed square, but if you have a lot of cut to do, sometimes a speed square is an easy thing to do. So the cut is nice. Went through that really easy. It's 3/16, 2-inch, cakewalk. So yeah, I like it. Cuts easy as bejeebers, just like they said it would. Heat-wise, nothing.
So that adds like an extra inch.
So now, this is what they cut. This is literally so it's 3/8 thick times 2. If we put this in our bandsaw, it'd probably take,
All right, you wanna go up? Sure.
I don't know, a minute and a half, 2 minutes to go through. Okay. That was pretty quick. And
What's that?
no heat whatsoever to speak of. So in our shop, where we're cutting stuff all the time, a lot thinner metal than this, and we're using a cutoff wheel, something like that, this generates a lot of heat. This is going to cut faster, it looks like. No heat, so we don't have to worry about the warping. And let's see how this worked. And it collected all of the...
Not all of it, but the majority of it.
Majority. Anyway, and look at this cut. It's actually pretty doggone smooth. So anyway, Chris with Legendary Customs. The tool review for the Eastwood mini metal saw. I would recommend it. The only backside drawback that I see is it's a small compact unit. So unlike a skill saw where it's larger and you're cutting 2x4s and such in carpentry, like when I was building houses, it's tough to see your line. So speed square, line up the saw, cut it, that's probably going to be a necessity. Anyway, long and short, like it, recommend it, yes. One downside, but it's very, very minor compared to all the benefits that you get. So I would say that the Eastwood mini saw is a legendary tool and it will stay in our shop. Chris with Legendary Customs, based out of La Crosse, Wisconsin. Thanks Eastwood, appreciate it. We bought this last week and it literally shipped in 2 days at our doorstep. So that was awesome. Till the next review, out.